Today's news in 60 seconds. Here we go.
On advice of counsel, I respectfully decline to answer and assert my Fifth Amendment privilege.
Users on the popular online forum Reddit have uncovered what appears to be the account of a computer specialist that was employed by Hillary Clinton. The account named Stone Tier uses the same alias as ones associated with Paul Combetta, the IT specialist who accidentally deleted Clinton's email archive last year. A past post from this account asks for advice on how to, quote, strip out a VIP's email address from a bunch of archived email, end quote. This post was made the day after the House Select Committee on Benghazi had reached an agreement with the State Department on the production of records from Hillary Clinton's email server. Reddit users also took video of what appears to be the user Stone Tier deleting all his past posts on the online forum, while the story was developing earlier today. The U.S. House Oversight Committee has confirmed that it is currently investigating the authenticity of the newly found Reddit account and will evaluate the new information. Critics believe that this may be the smoking gun that shows the Clinton camp intended to tamper with federal record-keeping laws. Supporters maintain that all the new information is just speculation and includes nothing incriminating because it has no direct ties to Secretary Clinton.
That was Today in 60 Seconds.